Well, first morning. Wyatt's got the shotgun. Gonna try to get a dog.
Well, good morning, fellers. What day is it? November the something? The 8th? 9th? November the 9th. Everybody say hello to Bronson, my cousin, my partner for the day.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Oh, just trying to track down a little coyote. 1 or 2.
Or 3 or 5. 5 would be okay.
I'd take a half one at this point.
Oh yeah. We are entered in a calling contest this weekend. We just made one stand, no luck so far, but we're in a pretty dang good spot, I think. We're in too good a spot to go very long without seeing a coyote, so you guys stay tuned. Alright guys, this is stand number 3. Just high. High again. I can't see. Oh, there he is. Oh, damn. Well, dang it, guys. Huh? What is that, Bronson? Our 5th stand?
Yeah, 5th one.
5th one. Give them an update on that last.
I want to talk about it. Screwed the pooch.
Screwed the pooch. So we got one called in, and I think he saw us because he locked it. He hit the brakes about 400 yards and stood there looking at us. We didn't think he was going to come any further, so we went ahead and shot at him. Got close a few times, but that's about it. So anyway, we're going to keep grinding. That's number 5, and we're might just be paying our dues a little bit. Well, it's time to make a power play. We've covered a lot of country. We're going to backtrack and get into some different country. What do you think, Bronson?
Well, haven't seen much else, so
Hopefully
we can find some.
How's that Lunchable?
Oh, it's good. It's made for adults, not kids.
This video is now sponsored by Lunchables. Made for adults, not kids. And Mountain Dew and Mountain Ops. and Leonard Skinner. Stay tuned. Finally, guys, this is our 11th stand of the day. Finally got another coyote come in. Pretty close, well, probably about 250, I think is what I ranged. And Bronson nailed him. We're just going to load up the call right now and go take a look at him.
But I zero him to 250 because I've been so used to my freaking trees now. So when I was thinking 20 inches, I just looked, okay, that's 20 inches. I was 20 inches plus like 8, so I'm 28. So if you look, I'm about 8 inches high.
Yeah, I just, as soon as you shot,
I watched him.
I heard it just thunk.
Oh, Mr.
What did you range that at? I ranged that rock over there at about 250.
181 where he was.
Oh, really?
I ranged it.
So he's
a
little closer.
Okay,
Well, there he is. Looks like he hit him right in the head. That's a little gruesome. We're on the board though. Heck yeah.
first dog of the day, finally, at 3:30 or 3 o'clock.
First dog down. Second one we've seen. Well, we finally get to test out these drags that I made.
Coyote drags.
If it works good, maybe I'll start selling them. Who knows?
Oh, yeah.
We'll see how it works.
We'll get the jaw locks on him.
Oh yeah.
I wasn't wrapped around his mouth like they do, but no. No.
Yeah, there's not much left to his mouth, is there?
It'd be good as go like this. Give it a double.
Oh yeah.
I like how you got that. How it's like a ball slider. I'm missing a double cinch him.
There you go.
Yeah. It just gets tighter as you go.
There you go. That right there is patent pending. Off we go. On to the next one. All right. How much does she weigh? 15 and a half. Good deal.
Yeah, this is what I like about yours.
Pretty quick and easy.
Yeah, it's a slick little deal.
All right, we'll get the jaw
I've been wanting
lock
to buy
on
one
her.
of these forever, but I had a kid that was making them. He's like, oh yeah, I think they're like $40. Get out and tell me.
Yeah, it's a good thing you're the master of the 20-point turn. Our tracks are going to look cool after we're done. Okay, now we're halfway pointed in the right direction.
I can't tell if I'm going to hit my bumper or not.
Oh, you're getting close now. Oh, yeah. Last one, maybe one more. No, we got her. luck, guys. We just got lucky and got a volunteer road dog. Stopped and looking at a funny looking deer. Bronson says, "Stop, stop, stop, there's a coyote." He hopped out and drilled him. I know, I could
see his head on one side and his butt on the other. I shot him in the back.
I could see, and when you kind of barked at him, he stopped.
Half and half. I think he got the small dog.
You think he's a smallie, huh? That's a pretty coyote. Look at him. Pretty coyote. When you barked at him, he just kind of stopped, and it wasn't a real good shot.
And I could see his head on one side of a tree.
Uh-huh.
And I don't dare shoot him in the face again. And I could see his body on the other. So I shot him in the back, right here.
Good enough, though. You dropped him. Man, one of these days we'll get one on video. Man, look at that, though. That's a pretty coyote. All right, another one down.
Number one.
First for the day, second for the contest. We're still behind, though. What's the leader have? 4 dogs? 4 dogs as of last night. So I don't know. We could still win some kind of prize. This one's too small to be the small dog, and I don't think it'll be the big dog either. Not bad though. Throw her in the old Explorer. What's up, guys? Bronson had his a little bit further to go than me to get home tonight, so he had to take off a little early. So I'm just doing a solo run now. So we've got 2 dogs, and we're still a little bit behind. But who knows if I could get one more and a couple of people get unlucky, we might still place. So anyway, hopefully we'll have some luck.